Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw an acorn. We'll begin by sketching two basic shapes, an oval for the main body and a slightly curved line above it for the cap. Focus on getting these initial forms right, as they will guide the rest of your drawing. Then, gently connect these shapes, smoothing out any sharp edges to create a natural, organic outline for your acorn. This foundation is key. Now, let's add some character to the acorn's cap. Draw a series of small, overlapping scales or a crosshatch pattern to give it a realistic texture. Next, attach a short, sturdy stem to the very top of the cap. Remember to vary your line pressure. Pressing lighter for initial sketches and firmer for final outlines will add depth and make your acorn truly stand out. To make your acorn look three-dimensional, we'll introduce some shading. Imagine a light source and apply darker tones on the opposite side of the acorn and under the cap. Use smooth, gradual transitions between light and shadow. A small, soft shadow beneath the acorn will help ground it, making it appear as if it's resting on a surface rather than floating. This adds significant realism. To truly master drawing acorns or anything else, consistent practice is essential. Don't be afraid to experiment with various pencils, pens, or even digital tools to find what works best for your style. Remember, every artist develops at their own pace, so enjoy the process. Also, for those interested in personal finance, check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other helpful deals. Keep creating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.